How to withdraw cash from Afterpay? If you have a balance owing, you will need to pay it off first. Once your balance is cleared, you won't owe anything to Afterpay. Afterpay generally does not allow cash withdrawals. However, if you have a specific need or issue, you could contact Afterpay's contact support to inquire about any available options or assistance they might offer. If you need cash, you could explore other methods such as using an ATM or obtaining a cash advance from a credit card. However, be aware that cash advance often come with fees and high interest rates. So it's important to consider the cost involved. Hope the video will be useful for you. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.